it's Daniel, the tech trainer here. Today I want to talk about moving your files from your existing Pro Canva account to your KW Pro Canva account. Since now the KW will pay for those accounts for you. Now it is a specific one. So in case you didn't catch my video a few months ago, to access your KW Canva accounts, simply go to canva.kw.com. If you're not already signed into Command, it will pop up for you to use your Command credentials to sign in. And the first time around, you will end up having some disclaimers that you have to click on and all that good stuff to agree to. Now, as of the recording of this, there is not a quick way to do all of your projects in one fell swoop. So you do have to kind of go through and pick which ones you want to move over. However, the process is pretty simple. What we're doing is we're just taking the existing projects that we have and sharing. Now, the reason we went into your KW one first, and we're going to click on your initials down in the bottom left. You see how it has that weird number at canva.kw.com? That's the email address that's associated with that account. Now, in my case, I had a pro account. I assume in yours, that's why you're watching this video. You see that it's there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, just in a separate spot, I'm going to type that email address so that I have it. And once I type it, I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to switch over to my normal paid for out of my pocket pro account. All right. And once there, I'm going to find a project that I wanted to move over to the other account. We can just click on it here. There's a little plus sign beside my head. And I'm going to paste that email address that I had. That's my KW one here. I'm going to go ahead and leave the send notification on just to make it a little bit easier so I see it. But as you do more and more of these, you may not want to do the notification on each one, especially if you're doing, 50, 100, whatever amount of projects. So I'm going to hit the share button here. All right. And so now it's shared. Oh, and also you want to make sure that it's set right. Can edit is the one that you want. Otherwise, you won't have access to actually do anything with it. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go bottom left-hand corner, and I'm going to switch accounts. So this, I can now switch over to my canva.kw account. There's a little notification sign down here in the bottom left. Used to be in the top right, but they moved it. And so now I can open up and edit the project that I had in my previous KW account in this account. Yeah, I hope that helps out. I wish there was a way to just kind of grab everything in one fell swoop and move it from one account to another, but currently there is not a good way of doing that. However, this will kind of give you an opportunity to do kind of a clean start with your KW accounts. So I hope this I hope this helps out a lot, and y'all take care.